Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage tasks using Microsoft To Do and Outlook together. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to keep track of meetings, deadlines, emails, or personal reminders, this setup can make a huge difference. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create tasks, organize priorities, sync everything across Outlook and Microsoft To Do, and build a much cleaner workflow for your day-to-day productivity. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Outlook in your browser or desktop app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Outlook dashboard where you can access your emails, calendar, and task management tools all in one place. Now, one of the easiest ways to manage tasks in Outlook is through Microsoft To Do, which is fully connected with your Microsoft account. Look toward the top right area of Outlook and find the My Day panel. Click on it and you'll usually see a small To Do section appear on the side of the screen. This is where you can quickly create and review tasks without leaving Outlook. To add a new task, click the option that says Add a Task. A text box will appear where you can type something you need to complete. For example, maybe you need to prepare a report, schedule a meeting, follow up with a client, or remember a personal errand. Once you type the task, press Enter or click Add to save it. You'll immediately see it appear in your task list. Now, here's where things get really useful. You can organize tasks by importance. Next to each task, you'll notice a star icon. Clicking the star marks that task as important, helping you quickly identify high-priority items during the day. This is especially helpful when your task list starts getting longer and you need to focus on the most urgent work first. Another great feature is setting due dates. Click on a task and you'll often see options like Add Due Date, Remind Me, or Repeat. This allows Outlook and Microsoft To Do to send reminders so important deadlines don't sneak up on you. For recurring tasks like weekly meetings or monthly reports, the Repeat option can save a lot of time. Now let's talk about syncing. One of the best parts about Microsoft To Do is that it automatically syncs across devices. So if you create a task inside Outlook on your computer, you can also see it later on your phone using the Microsoft To Do app. That means your tasks stay updated whether you're at your desk, traveling, or working remotely. Another really useful feature is converting emails into tasks. If you receive an important email that requires action later, you can flag it directly in Outlook. Flagged emails automatically appear inside Microsoft To Do under a section often called Flagged Email. This is incredibly useful because it turns your inbox into a manageable action list instead of just a pile of messages. You can also create different task lists for separate areas of your life. For example, you might have one list for work projects, another for personal reminders, and another for long-term goals. Keeping tasks organized into categories makes everything feel less cluttered and easier to manage. As your day progresses, simply check off completed tasks. This not only keeps your list organized, but also gives you a nice sense of progress throughout the day. And if plans change, don't worry, tasks can easily be edited, moved, or rescheduled anytime. One small productivity tip that helps a lot is reviewing your task list every morning. Spending even 5 minutes organizing priorities can make the entire day feel much more focused and manageable. And that's it. You now know how to manage tasks using Microsoft To Do and Outlook together, including creating tasks, setting reminders, flagging emails, and organizing your workflow more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite productivity tip, and subscribe for more easy tech and organization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.